Okay, I'm now preparing the tank T manifold for this tank. I like to use thread compound rather than Teflon tape. It's a matter of opinion on that, but my opinion is if you use Teflon tape, it has a tendency to come apart while you're making up the threads, and small pieces of that Teflon tape can get inside little finite portions of your pressure control switch, which you don't want in these tiny orifices of your control device. So use thread compound. Be careful not to get into the inside. You can take a rag and clean it up. That's not a rag, but you get the point. More later.